Chris Straub here with Straub Technologies, and I've got some exciting news for you six-packers, inline sixers. You might even be, some guys I think, the twisted six. Anything that has to do with a six-cylinder. June 27th, Friday at noon, getinlinehp.com will be officially launched. So if you're an inline guy, an AMC guy, you're a Ford guy, or you're a Chevrolet guy, and you got that inline six and you've been wanting more power and you're scared to use those flat tappet camshafts because you've heard the truth out there on the internet, it's not a pretty sight with the failure rate on those things, the hydraulic rollers are going to be available from Straub Technologies. So these are going to be available as cam and lifter kits or complete kits that include the timing sets, the push rods, the valve springs, valve spring kits, the distributor gears. Yes, that's right. We've even got distributor gears to go on this thing. So we've got you covered when it comes to camshaft profiles and roller lifters. Morrell's developed a whole series of hydraulic rollers. These are good for up to 365 lobe lift. So take that, times that by your rocker arm ratio on that inline six you got, and you know how much max lift these have got. We've also got solid rollers, and the great thing about all the solid rollers is they all come with pressure fed oiling to the needle bearings and stuff. So we've designed the tie bar. It's a two-piece lifter design, so it's got a forked end. So as far as putting it in the block, you should have minimal type of machine work, anything, maybe a little bit of grinding to that block for that inline six to install those lifters. But other than that, you're ready to rock and roll with it. And take that six-packer and get the horsepower out of V8 with the hydraulic rollers from Straub Technologies. And again, no matter whether you're an AMC guy, 4-liter or 4.2, Ford guy with the 240s or the 306s, or you're a die-hard Chevy guy with that 292, we got you covered with our whole complete camshaft line at getinlinehp.com. Go check it out, guys, if you're an inline six-bagger guy. And remember, at Straub Technologies, we don't build engines, we build combinations.